let's see the next question. Question number 6. A man bought 2 bicycles for rupees 2,500 each. A man bought 2 bicycles for rupees 2,500 each. If he sells one at profit of 5%, then how much should he sell the other so that he makes profit of 20% on the whole? Okay. So, first cycle he is making profit of 5% and on whole he needs 20% profit. Okay. So, let's write, okay, cost of first bicycle. Cost of first bicycle. Cost of second bicycle is also 2,500 only, okay. Rupees 2,500. And he sells at a profit of 5%. So, profit is 5%. So, 2,500 into 5%. So, 2,500 into 5% comes to 125. So, profit is 125. That means selling price of first bicycle is 2625 rupees 2625. Okay, this is for the first bicycle. Okay, then how much should he sell the other? What should be the price of second bicycle, selling price of second bicycle, so that he makes 20% profit on the whole? 20% profit on the whole, like on both the bicycle together he needs to make 20% profit. Okay, that means I'll write like this: cost of both bicycle is equal to rupees 5,000, because 2,500 plus 2,500 is 5,000, 2 bicycle, correct, and he needs 20% profit. So, profit would be 5,000 into 20%, which will be 1,000, correct? Okay, this is what you need. So, on both the bicycle he should make 1,000 profit. He has already made 125. He has already made. So, how much is remaining? So, profit on second bicycle should be, he has already made 1,000. Total profit minus profit on first bicycle. $1,000 he has already made. 1,000 he is supposed to make. Out of 1,000, 125 he has already made. So how much is remaining? So 1,000 minus 125, which is 875. He needs to make 875 rupees profit. But that they have not asked. They have asked how much should be should he sell the other so that he makes profit of 20% on a whole? So that means his selling price should be selling price should be cost price plus profit, and cost price is 2500, profit should be 875, so selling price should be 2500 plus 875. That is 3375. So overall, if he wants to make 20% profit, then the selling price should be 3375. Okay. Then how much should he sell the other so that he makes profit of 20% on the whole? So he should sell the second bicycle for rupees 375 so that he makes 20% profit on the whole. So write down, he must sell second bicycle for rupees 3375 so that he makes 20% profit on the whole. Okay. If you want to find the profit percentage of second bicycle, that also you can do. That would be 875 divided by 2500 into 100. Okay, profit percentage. So 875 divided by 2500 into 100. 875 divided by 2500 into 100, which is 35%. So on the second bicycle, he should make 35% profit so that he makes 20% profit on the whole. Okay, same question if they have asked how much percent then how much should he sell? Wait, a man bought 2 cycles for 2500 each. If he sells one at a profit of 5%, then how much should he sell the other so that he makes profit of 20% on the whole? I think here the rupees is asked or percentage is asked is not very clear. How much should he sell the other? Okay, that's okay. Fine. It's not clear. So I'll find the percentage also of percentage profit percent. Profit percent on second bicycle. Is equal to 875 upon 2500 into 100, which is 35%. Okay, profit divided by cost price into 100. So I can write he must sell second bicycle at 35% profit so that he makes 20% profit on the whole. So in both the ways we have calculated, on rupees also, on percentage also. Okay. In the exam, the question will be clear. Okay. Let's calculate the next question. Oh, you would like to write this? Okay. A man bought 2 bicycles for rupees 2,500. So each, that means first bicycle is for 2,500, second bicycle is for 2,500. First bicycle he is making 5% profit, which is the profit is 125. So you know the selling price, 2,500 plus 125. It comes to 2,625. Cost of both the bicycle is 5,000. 20% would be 1,000. Correct? So he has already earned 125 rupees profit. So remaining profit he has to earn from the second bicycle. So from the second bicycle he can earn 1000 minus 125, 875. Okay. So 875 is the profit from second bicycle. Therefore the selling price would be 2500 plus 875, which is 3375. So he has to sell the second bicycle for 3375 so that he makes 20% profit. Okay. So that means profit percentage on second bicycle is 35%, which is, you calculated 875 divided by 2500 into 100, which comes to 35%. So that means he must sell second bicycle at 35% profit so that he makes 20% profit on the whole. Okay. Next, Sanjay buys an article for rupees 500 and sells for rupees 600. What is his profit percentage? Very simple. So cost price is equal to 500, selling price is equal to rupees 600. Okay, selling price is greater than cost price, so profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is 600 minus 500, which is 100. What is his profit percentage? So profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. So 100 upon 500 into 100. 100 upon 500 into 100 is how much? 20%. So 20%. Right? Next question. An Atlas cycle was bought for rupees 8,500 and sold for rupees 7650. Find out loss percent. Okay. So bought for 8,500. That means cost price is equal to rupees 8,500. Selling price is equal to rupees 7650. So here cost price is greater than selling price, or selling price is less than cost price. That means there is a loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, which is 8,500 minus 7650. 8,500 minus 7650. It comes to 850. Which comes to 850. Okay. Find out the loss percent. So loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price into 100. So 850 upon 8,500 into 100, which comes to 10%. So 10% is the answer. Let's see the next question. What will be the cost price of an item selling for rupees 3,500 at a profit of 40%. You have to find the cost price. Selling price is given. Okay. And profit percentage is 40. So let cost price be 100. If cost price is 100, then profit is 40. Then profit is 40, because profit is 40%, right? Which makes selling price 140. Okay, and here selling price is given as 3,500. Then how much is the cost price? Okay, so cost price will be 3,500 into 100 divided by 140. $3,500 divided by 140 into 100. 2,500. So 2,500. Cost price is what will be the cost price if an item selling for rupees 3,500 at a profit of 40%. So cost price will be 2,500. Very simple. Okay, so whenever selling price is given, cost price is not given, profit percent or loss percent is given, always assume if cost price is 100, what will happen. Okay, and selling price comes to 140 and selling price is given as 3,500. So how much would be cost price? This is the most simplest way to solve this sum. Let's see the next question. A fast track watch was sold for rupees 2,728 at a loss of 12%. What is its cost price? It is similar to previous question. Okay, here there is a loss. That's it. Again, selling price is given. So you will assume, let cost price be rupees 100. So let cost price be rupees 100. So loss would be, loss is given 12%, right? So then loss will be 12 rupees. So then selling price will be rupees 100 minus 12, 88. Correct? And selling price is given as 2,728. So what is the cost price? So cost price will be 2,728 into 100 divided by 88. Cross multiplication. 2,728 divided by 88 into 100. 2728 divided by 88 multiplied by 100. Okay, it comes to 3,100. So answer is 3,100. So cost price will be 3,100. Very simple. Let's see the next question. A mobile phone was bought for rupees 12,000. Find out the price at which it should be sold to gain 20%. Okay. This is the most simplest one. Whenever cost price is given, you don't have to assume anything. Okay. Cost price is given as 12,000. Okay. So, cost price is equal to rupees 12,000. You want to make profit of 20%, right? So, gain would be 12,000 into 20%. So 12,000 into 20% is how much? 2,400. Okay. That means selling price would be 14,400. That is asked. A mobile phone was bought for 12,000. Find out the price at which it should be sold. That means you have to find selling price, and gain is 20%. Selling price is equal to cost price plus gain, correct? So cost price is 12,000, gain is 20% of cost price. So 20% of 12,000 comes to 2,400. Selling price is cost price plus gain, which is 12,000 plus 2,400, which comes to 14,400. Okay. Let's see the next question. These are very simple questions. Find out the selling price of a Parker pen costing rupees 75 if it is sold at a loss of 10%. Okay. So what is the selling price if there is a loss of 10% and cost price is 75? Okay. Cost price is given. Cost price is equal to 75 minus loss. Loss is 10%. So 10% means 75 into 10%, which comes to 7.5. So cost price minus loss is your selling price. So 75 minus 7.5. 75 minus 7.5. It comes to 67.5. So 67.5 is the answer. Find out the selling price of a Parker pen. So selling price of the Parker pen is 67.5. Costing 75 if it is sold at a loss of 10%. So cost price minus loss is selling price. Correct? Cost price is 75. Loss is 10% of cost price, that is 75 into 10%, which comes to 7.5. So 75 minus 7.5 comes to 67.5. Okay. Let's see the next question. Okay. Cost price of 12 articles is equal to selling price of 10 articles. Whenever cost price of some number of article is equal to selling price of some number of article, always take cost price of one article as 1 rupee. The calculation becomes very easy. This is very similar to question number 5, which we have solved. But there you did not know number of articles. Okay, here they already told you that cost price of 12 article is equal to selling price of 10 article. What is the gain? Okay, how much is the profit? Okay, let's solve. Whenever cost price of some number of article is equal to selling price of some number of article, you have to take cost price of one article is equal to rupees 1. Okay, the answer becomes easy. The calculation becomes easy. So let the cost price of one article is equal to rupees 1. Therefore, cost price of 12 article is equal to rupees 12. If one article value is 1 rupee, 12 article is equal to rupees 12. 12 into 1 is 12. Correct? And they have said cost price of 12 article is equal to selling price of 10 article. Correct? So, cost price of 12 article is equal to selling price of 10 article. That means selling price of 10 article is equal to rupees 12. Is equal to rupees 12. Because cost price of 12 article is equal to 12. So selling price of 10 article will be also equal to 12 because cost price of 12 article is equal to selling price of 10 article. Correct? If selling price of 10 article is 12, okay, what is the cost price of 10 article? We'll do that. If selling price of 10 article is 12, what is the selling price of 12 article? Okay. Selling price of 12 article. Okay. You have to find this selling price of 12 article. So you can compare with cost price of 12 article. Okay. You know cost price of 12 article is 12. Selling price of 12 article, if you come to know, then you can calculate it. Okay. So, wait. You need selling price of 12 article. Okay. You know selling price of 10 article. Selling price of 10 article is rupees 12. So, selling price of 12 article is how much? Okay. So, which is 12 into 12 upon 10. So, 12 into 12 upon 10 comes to 144, 144.5, 144. So, 14.4. 12 into 12 is 144 divided by 10. So, 14.4. Correct? So, now you know selling price of 12 article. You know selling price of cost price of 12 article. Okay. You know selling price of 12 article 14.4. Cost price of 12 article is 12. So now you can calculate profit. Okay. So profit is equal to selling price of 12 article minus cost price of 12 article. Selling price of 12 article is 14.4 minus 12, which comes to 2.4. Profit percentage is asked. So percentage of gain or percentage of profit is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. Profit is 2.4 upon 12 into 100, which comes to 20%. 2.4 divided by 12 into 100. So 20%. Okay. while calculating profit or while calculating loss, the number of articles should be same. That means selling price of 12 article minus cost price of 12 article, or selling price of one article minus cost price of one article, or selling price of 10 article minus cost price of 10 article. Okay. The cost price of 12 article is equal to selling price of 10 article. So whenever whenever cost price of some number of article is equal to selling price of some number of article, let the cost price of one article be rupees 1. When you assume like this, your calculation becomes very easy. So cost price of one article is rupees 1. So therefore cost price of 12 article will become rupees 12. Okay. And cost price of 12 article is equal to selling price of 10 article. You know cost price of 12 article, convert selling price of 10 article into selling price of 12 article. Okay. So when you convert that, you know selling price of 10 article, you need selling price of 12 article. So if for 10 article, it was rupees 12. For 12 article, how much? When you calculate, you get 14.4. Okay. Now you know selling price of 12 article and cost price of 12 article. So now you can calculate profit and then calculate percentage. Try to solve the next question by your own. Question number 14. That's it for the day, students. Have a great day. Thank you.